How to do a poll in WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to share a poll on your WhatsApp group, what you're simply gonna do is first of all, launch the WhatsApp application on your device. After you do that, go to the group you want to share the poll on. If you want to share it in this, now over here you can see an option right over here. Click on it. Then it'll show you various options. Just go to the option which says poll. Then it'll give you a box to write a question. Write any question you want to write there. Now you have to add the answers. So go to the options and then add answers. You can also add any answers you want. And you can add multiple answers also. Now you can also allow multiple answer or you cannot allow it by clicking over here. Now after you've successfully created the questions and answers, go to the send option which is right over here. After you do that, the poll has been sent on your WhatsApp. So this is how you can do a poll on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope this video was helpful to you and see you in the next video.